Hey guys, it's Callie, Dylan and Zephyr here from Slowly Salty. I just wanted to tell you that over the past couple of weeks we've spent a bunch of time in the deep south of Tasmania at Cockle Creek with 3 other families that all have buses. So we figured during our quarantine time we would do some house tours of everyone's buses and show you guys.
Some gorgeous buses that we got to spend some time in while we were down there.
So we'll be releasing them shortly on YouTube and IGTV as well. And it's a very simple bus tour. It's no fancy.
Nothing fancy here,
it's just 4 beautiful buses.
Yeah, so and you got to remember that we're living in all of them, so it's just as they come.
Yeah. Everyone got about 10 minutes to clean up beforehand, so that'll give you a good idea of what they look like all the time.
And we've all got kids as well, so that was a tricky one. But we hope that you enjoy them and that you'll watch them.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
So this is Matt and Laura. This is Ben and Luna. This is Jed and Mac. And this is Callie and Dylan. And now Callie is going to give you a tour.
And I wonder why we seem to be more concerned with our flags and nationalities, than we are with unity or love. More concerned with our differences and different gods above. And out of all these books that I forgot, drawn way too harsh and worries of what I'm not, and how this feels when it comes to being close to you. And I will fight for this, stand for right over wrong as our old trees are burning down. And I will write for this country I adore, and we can come together now. And I will stand beside you, won't let hate reside here, lock hands together in the crowd. And we will fight for this country we adore, and hard times each of us know how.
Watch it.
We're obviously using your incredible
Your sex appeal.
and sex appeal.